Right, we're back out. Look who I'm out with. Woohoo!
Oh sorry, I have to stop doing that, Colin.
Oh, have you?
My tongue out as well.
Nice wee view. A couple of wee boats going by. The sun's out in the Shire today. So, we're doing a wee camp tonight. Me, Scottish Wanderer, Bugsy. Bugsy's coming later on. You can probably see the newer castle up in the background there. So we're going to do a wee bit of the Ayrshire Coastal Way. But now, while we wait for Bugsy, we're just going to go a wee wander about. Go and see the castle. So it's up here. So I'll bring you back once we get up to the top. So, down the Ayrshire coast. Spoilt for choice for castles down the Ayrshire coast. There was at one last night. I'm at one tonight. What a view. You can see Arran there over in the distance. The whole isle just in front of it. Some cracking wee beaches. Nice wee village of Dunure here. And we're going to go a wee trek down the Ayrshire coastal path. But the sun's out today. Well, a wee bit out, there's a few wee clouds as well, but certainly a lot drier than what it was last night when I was out. It was absolutely bucketing down yesterday, but tonight it's a bit pretty clear. Right, I think that's the ice house. So, a wee wander in, get back to the castle. So, it was the Earl of Cassilis did this. I built it, I think. To McLean Castle along the coast a wee bit.
I reckon they built this in 15.
So, must have been an old fireplace going up in there. Oh, it's a ghost! Another fireplace.
I'm going up this way, Colin.
It's just going rock climbing. And I'm gonna go up the safe way, the stairs. Right, you can get right up inside of this. I could.
How's I got up there now? I'm stuck here now. You stay here forever.
Stuck. There's a few nice wee coves all the way along here. You can probably see the Ailsa Craig way out there in the distance. Right, there's a wee kind of maze thing down there. Better not go in it in case I get lost there. Right, Stuart, get the Barbie on.
Get a shrimp in the Barbie, man!
Get a shrimp in the Barbie. Of course you get some idiot leaving a bit of rubbish. There's always one.
There's a bin over there, like 2 feet away, or 10 feet away, whatever you want to say. Lazy, aren't they?
Very lazy. No need for it. So last time we were down here, there was folk jumping off the top of this into the water. Obviously that was in the summer months, so it was a bit warmer. But I think it's quite a well known bit for diving into the water. Can't beat the Ayrshire coast. Right, that's us. We're heading off now. Want to get there before it's dark. But crack night. It's calm water, not a bit of wind. Wee rainbow in the sky over there. So, get the food packed tonight. Even though I've managed to forget most of my food, I brought burgers and sweet peppers and onions and nice cheese to put at the top, and I've went and left it in the house. So tonight, what's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight? Not much. I think I've got a packet of noodles, a packet of bacon, and I've got a ration pack. I think it's chicken biryani. But here you go, I've got a packet of chocolate digestives as well, so why worry? Right, me and Stuart are going hunting for treasure. So, you know the old saying is, there's treasure at the bottom of a rainbow. So, I reckon that's no far from where we're going to camp. So you never know, we might come back rich. So, lovely night. So we're just walking along the beach, along the coastal path. It's a good wee couple of miles to where we're camping, but we'll get there in no time. The sun's scorching. Slipping back roads. One needs a kayak now, or a banana boat.
Do you reckon you'll fit through that gate, Colin, after eating all that food and roads?
Actually, did a lot. Just no more.
Ah, easy peasy.
Easy peasy. Skinny monkey. Onward to the treasure.
Can we see that rainbow?
Right, that's us here. We're all set up. Well, just about. I've managed to snap a pole again. Ugh, why worry? Crack night. The sun's just starting to get down. A wee while yet before it goes down totally. But that's Bugsy's tent, the green one in the foreground. You can just make out my red one. And Stuart's got his DD pyramid tent, I think. It's got a camouflage, I don't know how well you can see that. If you're up here, it's a camo, that's how you can't see it. But, crack night. There's a wee bit of rain there, but that's it, it's went off again. So, do a wee bit of cooking shortly. What? Looking good. That's our wee spot down there. So we're just in this wee cove. Camped here before. I think last time I was here was Scottish Wanderer Stuart, who's down there now, and Bugsy, not Bugsy, Glenn. It's Bugsy that's here tonight. So this will be the first time he's camped at our spot. But very nice. You can't beat a good sunset, can you? So, like I say, that's our wee spot. That's Bugsy's tent. Berghouse Peaks 3.1 Pro. I think somebody was a bit asking about that, one of my last videos. Here's mine, the Hillman. And there's Stuart's DD tarps. Sorry, DD tarp, pyramid tent, Stuart, is it?
Pyramid tent, yeah.
Pyramid tent. This is our spot for the night.
I need to wait for the stuff into from
Right. Bugsy's bought 3 spoons.
your spoon. Did you bring spoons, Bugsy?
I brought spoons, just in case, you know.
Can anybody play the spoons? No.
You're going to do the wee.
Right, what else you got in the bag, Bugsy? What else you got in the bag?
What have you got in there? There's your bolt. Oh, there's my ball, thank you.
Right,
My ball.
wait a minute. You got away for 10 days. You got away for 10 days. And you come back and there's only 2 bowls. There's only 2 bowls, right? He's giving me a spoon. But I will let him off because he bought me a nice wee woolly bonnet.
Oh, I forgot to say, right, guys, we're doing a giveaway.
Oh! Oh, what a guy! He's a star. An absolute star. Look at that. It's fantastic.
To say about the giveaway. We're doing a giveaway.
Oh yes.
A hat giveaway.
Yeah, hat giveaway.
So you can have the famous.
So once you get me to 1,000 subscribers, there's a wee woolly bonnet giveaway. So get your votes in now. Sorry, get your subs in now. I mean.
I think it looks like, what's his name? That little guy up in the hill walking. What was his name again?
Right, Buggy's cooking tonight. Thank God, because I forgot all my bloody food. So, burgers, sauce, mustard, onions.
Get your
Oh,
votes
there's
in,
the cheese.
guys.
Get your votes in now. For Bugsy.
Chef there, at work. So,
Oh, wait a minute.
taste test, Colin.
Oh, check that out. A Bugsy burger. Burger, mustard, red sauce, cheese, rocket, onions. Oh, that does look good. Fit it in my mouth.
Colin's just back to the road, so he's been eating lots of this kind of stuff. Would you
Top
like to
marks.
that, Colin?
10 out of 10.
Bit better than Burger King.
Oh yes.
What's
By
the
far.
seconds?
Right, Stuart, get the sausages, the square sausage on. Even breakfast yet.
Get that.
Oh, fruit pudding, black pudding, all works.
Potato scones somewhere. Potato scones are over here, guys. Look.
Oh, tatty scones as
I'll
well.
get some eggs.
Oh, eggs as well. Let's even get beans. And not any beans. Barbecue beans. Oh, very good. Oh, here's Bugsy get the sizzling lamb chops on. Can't beat that sizzling sound though, can you?
You don't get that off of cold beans.
No. No, no very cool beans right there.
There's not much of a sizzle.
No, not a sizzle at all. I'm not even bubbling, look. Nope.
No.
How's that about the beans?
Yeah, Sonny has beans.
No, we're not at Sonny Beans Cave. We're at Cold Beans Beach.
Cold beans.
Looking good.
Oh,
Stuart's eating all the cold beans. Oh no, wait a minute. You've left 2, Stuart. Come on.
Sorry. Can't leave.
Oh
What is
no.
it? You can't
Waste
leave
not, want
anybody
not.
behind. Look.
There's folks starving in the world.
Got a black pudding as well. I need to finish that.
I'll believe it when I see it.
What? I'm giving into peer pressure, guys, right? And I'm having the hot beans.
Hot beans.
I've got my second dinner. Right? Because Bugsy and Paul have ripped into me. Paul says that's not ripping into you. But they've not stopped moaning at me. Who has
It's all a
cold
laugh.
beans?
You know it's all a laugh. Think the beans are hot enough?
Not yet. No. Not yet.
I think they look like cold beans.
Yeah, they still are a bit cold, Colin, yeah.
Right, everybody, in the comments section, if you've got any beans jokes, get them in, right? Right, it's pudding time. I've got custard, oh, and then piece de resistance, the sticky toffee pudding. Oh, look at that.
What time is it?
Pudding
Pudding time!
Pudding time!
Got sticky toffee puddings again, guys. You get
Oh,
the custard.
Double pudding, lads.
Third-degree
Right.
buns.
oh, look at that.
Oh, you can't beat cake and custard.
Oh, cake and custard.
Right.
Superb. Cake and custard at the beach, a wee roasty toasty fire.
A nice little fire. I'm sorry if anybody's watching, but we've burnt.
The beans.
Right, that's my spoon.
Oh, look at that.
Tuck in, lads.
That's Bugsy. There we go, look.
Well done, Bugsy. Get your votes in for Bugsy. Right, folks. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm having to head home now. I've got an early start. So, it's still pitch black. I'm just going to start walking along the beach now. Maybe 2 seconds, I'll see where I'm going. Right, but another good wee night. Raining this morning, but not that rain. So, give the channel a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Alright, adios. Right, that's us back at the car. So, heading home. Another good wee night. Till the next one.